Hello everyone, this is Karan Kumar Nag and you are watching That's Real Life Promise. In today's video, we are designing NMOS using Microwind software. So our first thing is drawing substrate by using palette and drawing substrate of NMOS diffusion layer as we designing NMOS. So I am drawing substrate of 12 by 8 lambda dimension as this is the standardized size of NMOS. Now two metal contacts are required for one for our drain and one for our source. Now I'm drawing drain of this. Back from the center, started drawing the metal contact. The standardized size of metal contact is 4 by 8 lambda. This is our drain metal contact. Let's create our source drain metal contact by clicking here. This is our source metal contact. Now apply actual metal N plus layer. One for drain, and one for our source. After that, we have to create gates. So I am selecting polysilicon. So this is our gate terminal. Let's simulate this. As we know that NMOS is working when we supply get high logic or VDD. So I'm providing VDD to gate for on and off condition of drain. So I'm adding a clock to a drain terminal and rename is as VD as is the voltage of drain. Now applying a visible node to our source so we can see output. Renaming is V out. Make sure this is visible in simulation so we can watch the actual waveform of output. So assigning it. Let's run the simulation by clicking this button, run simulation. Okay, this is our output. I'm making some smaller. Okay, wait. I'm just resetting it. Yeah, this is our output. When our drain voltage is high, our output voltage is high. When our drain voltage is low, we get output voltage as a low. We satisfy our NMOS characteristics. That's it for today's video.